Alright, today we're going to have a little fun with something different. Everybody who watches my videos, they know I love my Dupre Neat steamer, but it's out on a job and I had to leave it there because it's a couple of days. So I picked this stuff up that I've been reading about, the pink stuff, and I've been playing around with it, and it's pretty cool. And then I got this little brush kit, this electric battery powered brush kit, and it's really cool. It comes with all these different brushes, and you can see it's got these little pads, and I actually use these pads to clean up an old pocket knife of mine. And I'm going to use something that I haven't really ever demoed, my famous little yellow brush that I use on a lot of things, not only cleaning up showers, but I also use it for cleaning up my car interior and stuff like that. So here we have the famous shower that I'm always using to demo stuff, and it's pretty dirty right now, as you can see. I kind of let it go, much to the chagrin of my significant other, but we're gonna see what this can do. And you can see that is pretty dirty right there. So I'm going to use the electric brush. I'm going to use the small brush. I probably wouldn't really do this normally cleaning up a shower. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold, but this brush that I'm going to use is too small to be doing this in general. I'll do a little test spot and see what happens. Then I'll use my bigger brush. So let's see. All right, got my famous microfiber cloths. I'll put links as always to the bottom of this. Well, I don't know about you, but that is pretty damn impressive for a quick scrub. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed by that. And that went really, really fast. So I don't think it would take very, very long to do this entire shower, even with the little brush. But what I would probably do is I would probably more tend to go like that, just because I clean stuff for a living and I got to do it faster. And I would take this and once I rinse this off with the shower, it'll come even better. That's amazing. Stuff is extremely, extremely impressive, and I'm not gonna bore you with me doing the entire shower, but I'll put an after picture up. But there's another thing that I wanted to kind of show you. That was one of the reasons I bought this brush to try. And normally, again, I would use my steamer for this, but it's not around, and not everybody wants to go out and buy a steamer. But let's see if I can get my camera in there. But if you can see in here how bad that is, and that's a hard spot to clean, and you can use a toothbrush. But I got this little tip, and let's see what happens with this. That looks pretty good, and that only took a few seconds. Now, it may be, it may need the caulking removed in there. The water's really hard in this area, but there's a big difference in there. Pretty amazed by what this thing has been able to do so far, to be honest with you. yeah, I mean that's pretty cool. Great little setup, and it's the brush was pretty cheap, and honestly, this pink stuff is inexpensive. And I'll link everything down below. You can see it, and they also make a spray cleaner, which I'm going to play around with, and they also make a like a cream, almost like cleaner. It comes in a squirt bottle, and I also use this on the stove top, the ceramic stuff, and it really did a good job. So far so good. So I'm gonna get to work, and I'll throw some after pictures up here. So there it is, clean and dry. A little bit of that black stuff is still there, and I've been working on that, but it faded a little bit, to be honest with you. That's the first time I've been able to get that to fade. But it cleaned up pretty nice. All in the edges by the shower door. Not bad. I still love my steamer, but for the people who don't have a steamer, it works pretty good. I'll post all the links below.